Hi, my name is Arthur Lowe. I'm the president of Crack Semiconductor. I'm a grad student at Carleton in the Technology Innovation Management program. And what I've learned in the program is how to take an exciting business opportunity in intellectual property and leverage that with business ecosystem dynamics to create a platform for wireless security of my chip technology to enable things like oil companies to communicate securely over their pipelines and in their oil fields. I have a client in France where I'm involved in providing intellectual property for bank security. It's a global market that I'm involved in. I went global instantly, and I plan to leverage the knowledge I'm learning in the Technology Innovation Management program to develop better business models that turn hot technology into disruptive technology. And the way you do that is by getting other people involved who in an ecosystem where the third parties will develop technology that's complementary to your platform, and the result is it attracts customers to your platform in the same way that game developers come to the Sony PlayStation because they're expecting kids to be playing on the games.